Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Laguna Seca Raceway, where today we are at the Ducati Revs Day on the Street Fighter V4S. Wagner is here on the Ducati V2. This will be, this actually Friday I think is her last ride as you guys see it. So you guys will have to stay tuned. It is heading up to Eddie's for a full custom paint job. So stay tuned because the V2 is getting a little makeover. But today we're on the Ducati Street Fighter V4S here at the Ducati Revs event. And I have moved up into the B group, or excuse me, the A group from the B group. You guys usually see me in the B group. So here that I'm up in the A group, I'm riding with a lot faster guys. So the talking isn't, there isn't much of it. And today we're gonna ride with this guy. Do a little bonus ride for you guys. I wanna make sure I'm focused, stay focused. But it's been a little workout today. It's been a little workout, trying to stay on task, trying to stay comfortable, not override. But yeah, just have a good time. So give me a second and we'll be out of here in just a second. All right, so Joe here, our buddy, I met him with Doug Davis. Little bummed that Dougie isn't out with us today. Douglas, I miss you, buddy. But Joe wanted a little footage of him riding his 996R, 996S, RS, I don't know. So we'll run with him a little bit, see if we can stay up with him. See if we can stay comfortable. He's definitely a much faster rider than I am, much more skilled. And a lot more comfortable on colder tires. So I hope you guys enjoy a little bit of a bonus ride here. Joe. right, you guys, well, I'm coming off with Joe because that was a great session, a great 10 minutes. Joe had me working back there. That last lap, if you remember, when he came out of 2, he went a little wide, which kind of screwed him up for 3, and it took him a second to reel back for number 4. So, although short, a very good one. Doug Davis, I hope you enjoyed the footage. Now he's set up on a full race bike, you guys, so don't pay attention to him and me because, you know, I'm just on this little thing here, but man, that thing, he had that thing pretty well.
It's pretty, isn't it?
You were working it pretty well.
Man, were you behind me at the beginning?
Yeah.
My first 3 laps, I was just like, oh, fuck. At my 3rd lap, I did pretty well.
Yeah. And I noticed, I just told him that on that last lap, you went a little bit wide out of 2, and then that screwed you up for that 3, and then...
That's when I realized I was tired.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a good 10 minutes. That was a good 10-minute run. I mean, straight out the box, you're much more brave on cold tires than I am.
They were a little shaky.
Yeah.
Especially the back.
Yeah. But man, you looked. Yeah, great footage. So, Joe, thank you so much. I'll have it up on my channel. We'll get some footage over to Doug Davis. But thank you guys for sticking around. Ducati Revs Day. Thank you guys for hosting an amazing day. Oop, I think I'm out of gas already. That was, look at that. So I just filled up the tank 2 sessions ago and the fuel light just came on. So I couldn't have gone too much further anyways. But I ran a good session with Joe. He was on his 996, just hauling mail. Holy jeez. And then we just came off, my fuel light came on already again. 2 sessions. That's about 30 minutes of riding out here on truck. So I'll take it. It was a short ride, but thank you guys for sticking around. Street Fighter's just running amazing. It's you push that thing, man. Woo! But thank you, Joe, again for the great ride, and do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring the bell notification. We've got probably 2 more rides, but maybe only 1 for film. I may try to grab Tony Elias for another ride. I don't know if I've got much in me, but we'll try to get one more ride, and but we'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.